What we're working on here today is a early 2000s F150. This will be for the late 90s and early 2000s. When you have the blower on, it only works on high. It's likely your blower motor resistor. Okay, up underneath here, unless you're a contortionist, you may want to put a mirror up there to find your bolts. There are two 8mm bolts to take your blower motor resistor out, and there's an electrical connection. If you don't have a 8mm, 5/16 will work. I recommend using a genuine Ford one. The ones that are from another country don't last very long. Okay, as you can see where the blower motor resistor is, we're going to leave the electrical connection on. Take those bolts out and then it'll drop down. You can get to the connector better. Okay, as you can see, this is our blower motor resistor. We'll just take this electrical connection off. You push this tab here and then pull it off. Okay, we'll go and put our new one in there and put those two bolts in there. Snap our electrical connection in there and we're all set. Okay, got that in there, bolted in. I'll put our electrical connection on. We're ready to test her out. Success.